Hey folks, and a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. This is going to be my last video of the year, and I am making a dish, an appetizer for any kind of get together, really. It would be good for Christmas gatherings, also for the big football game that, comes next month or the month after, whenever they decide to have it. It's a Carolina barbecue inspired deviled egg. I love deviled eggs and I love coming up with different ideas for deviled egg recipes. And I was researching a different recipe and I found this Plochman's tangy Carolina barbecue blended mustard. Now, I love Plochman's mustard. Their yellow mustard is my go-to, and many of you say the same thing. And when I saw this Carolina barbecue, it hit me exactly what to do. And so I ordered it. I'll put a link in the description box below. I was only able to find this on Amazon. I can't find it locally at any of my grocery stores. But if you can find this in your grocery stores, pick it up. It is not a barbecue sauce. It's mustard that kind of sort of tastes like barbecue sauce. But it's very reminiscent of Carolina style barbecue, which is heavy on the mustard. It's a very mustardy barbecue sauce. So here's how I'm going to make the eggs, and then stay tuned, and I will give them a taste test. You'll want to stay tuned for that because I add some. You'll want to watch it. Yeah, I have here the yolks from 6 hard-boiled eggs that I've mashed up, and I'm going to use the Plochman's tangy Carolina barbecue mustard. That's the good stuff for this. Now, this is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I should have used Duke's, but I did not have Duke's on hand. But Duke's would be perfect for a Carolina sauce or Carolina eggs. Now, I've got 2 teaspoons of that barbecue mustard. And this is not a barbecue sauce. It's actually mustard, but it kind of has a barbecue sauce flavor. Then I'm going to give this a good mix. Get it all mashed up good and give it a taste test. It needs some salt. Yes, definitely needs a little bit of salt. It's going to be up to you. So I'm just going to add a pinch of salt there, and then give that a mix and give it a taste again and see how it is. Okay, that's perfect. Yep. Let's make some deviled eggs. Okay, I'm going to do like I always do when it comes to deviled eggs. I'm going to spoon it in. You could use a piping bag, but I just like doing it the old school way of using a spoon. It all works out. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of these and then show you how I'm going to garnish it with some of these bacon bits. Okay. Now, this is real. This is real bacon. It's not artificial mystery meat. It's actual bacon. It's really good. So you just want to garnish this with some of the bacon bits. And as I was doing this, I was thinking, bacon and eggs. Okay. Been a little over 30 minutes in the fridge. And that's how the eggs turned out. Looks pretty darn good to me. Okay, let me grab one, give it a try. I don't know. I think I need another one. Couldn't quite put my tongue on it. I was kidding before. That's really good. I just had to have another one. Boy, that's really good. I love that flavor, the Plochman's Carolina BBQ mustard. It really goes well. And the bacon bits add that nice porky flavor. You know, Carolina, they're noted for barbecue pork, so it works perfectly. Well, there you have it, folks. There's a Carolina BBQ Deviled Eggs. And once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see y'all next year. Thanks for watching.